Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the FX Volcano Indicator. Alright, it actually comprises of several indicators, this trading system, and we are going to be adding the indicators one after the other to the chart. Okay, now let us start by adding the timer best. After adding the timer best, we will add the other indicators. Okay, now let us go over to FX Volcano. There are several of them that starts with FX Volcano. So we have the FX Volcano entry 1, FX Volcano entry 2, FX Volcano entry 3, and we also have FX Volcano Trading Assistant and FX Volcano CS. Okay, so now you will see that this is a comprehensive trading system, right? We have precise buy and sell signals, and at the same time you can see that it's a multi-time frame indicator. You can just quickly switch your time frames, and you can see that we also get pop-up signals, right, telling us to buy or to sell. So the system paints arrows on the charts telling us when to buy or when to sell, and then we can also see these lines that are serving as dynamic support and resistance levels, right? And then we can also see the time frame feature. This is a multi-time frame indicator or multi-time frame trading system, and you can also see the panel here to quickly switch currency pair. So if you are a trader that trades across different currency pairs, you can just quickly switch currency pair and quickly switch time frame, all right, without much stress. And here you can also see the currency strength here, telling us, you know, the strength of different currencies, so that you can be able to effectively decide what currency pair to trade. For example, pairing the New Zealand dollar, which is the weakest at the moment, against the JPY, which is the strongest at the moment. So let's just go to NZD JPY. NZD JPY should be selling. All right, you can see it's currently selling because the NZD is obviously weaker than the JPY. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.